At times, our suppliers will issue us credits for a variety of reasons. We can record these credits in QuickBooks and apply them against outstanding bills at any time. To record a supplier credit, click the New menu, and then under Suppliers, choose Supplier Credit. Next, enter the name of the supplier. Then complete the remainder of the transaction. Enter your payment date, reference number if appropriate, and then enter the category details. Which account did you use on the original bill that you're now receiving a credit for? In this case, it's going to be printing. Let's suppose that we've got a credit for $100, and then we add our sales tax, as we want to make sure that we keep our sales tax tracking accurate. That's step number 1, completing the supplier credit. After completing it, click Save and Close, and QuickBooks records it on the supplier account. Now, we're not finished. We have to take step number 2 and apply the credit against a bill. Let's suppose that we want to pay the bill in full and apply the credit at the same time. We'll go to the New menu again, and then click under Suppliers, Pay Bills. Now we see that we've got 2 bills. We're going to select the bill Gibson Printing. QuickBooks automatically assumes that we're going to pay it in full, but you'll notice it also applies the credit. We see our $113 credit in the Credit Applied column and is automatically being applied. Now we have to pay the difference of $395.51. We'll record a check from our checking account, and when we click Save and Close, that will complete the application of the credit against the bill and the bill payment. So I'll click the down arrow and then choose Save and Close, and QuickBooks applies the credit and it's no longer sitting there on the supplier account.